Now we are showing two parts. One is how to come desktop download document in here. So personalization, go change desktop icon, just selecting which one we need the control panel, also the network, then okay. Now second phase is we are setting the time. There have two part of setting time. One is here, then time you can change time, then you can set in here is this. I think time is okay, January. Also other one is internet timing. In this here you need to at first set up a Wi-Fi and just click in this update is automatic synchronize, also this one. Okay, thank you.